Hi everyone! So we all know that the raw vegan diet, low-fat raw vegan diet is not a diet, right? We all know it's a lifestyle, and because you hear that from a lot of raw foodies out there and other health people or other people who have health YouTube channels, that they refer to the raw vegan diet as a lifestyle. And you know what? I completely 100% agree, because it's seriously not really a diet. It is a lifestyle, because you guys all know that it incorporates so much more than food. It incorporates, like, you know, a whole well-rounded health is incorporates not just food, but you know, sleep, water, sunshine, fresh air, exercise, social interaction, just downtime, rest time, and so much more other, like, fun, happiness time, you know, laughter. That all has a complete package of health, you know, and learning new things that all contributes to well-rounded good health, you know. And so I kind of just wanted to talk about it because, like, whenever I hear the word diet, a lot of the first thing I think of is like the fad diets. And that's another thing, is, like, you know, I've mentioned the raw vegan 80-10-10 diet book by Dr. Douglas Graham. I've mentioned it in a couple of my other videos, which I love this book, guys. I love this book. I hope you guys, if you haven't heard about it, that you certainly check it out and read it for yourself. And there's something that makes this so different than from all the other diets out there. And because, but like I said, this is not a diet, it's a lifestyle, because it's not one of those just fad diets out there. It's not a fad diet, another one of those fad diets where you restrict or moderate for a certain amount of time, and oh, you can only eat this or that. No, that's not what this is about. That's not what this is about at all. There's so much more to it. It's realizing what we were truly designed to eat for optimal health. I mean, we're all looking for happiness and to resonate and, you know, I guess you could say manifest or create that happiness in our lives. We're always trying to look for the happy things and move toward the happy things in our everyday lives, you know, that make us comfortable, happy, and healthy. And health is a big part of that helps provide us, you know, happiness in our life. And but what I'm trying to get at here, guys, please bear with me. Sometimes it's hard for me to explain my thoughts. It's all up here, but my communication level is not my strong suit. So please just bear with me while I try to explain my thoughts. Sometimes I can't explain my thoughts very well or concise. So that's just mistakes, guys. That's just me. Sorry. But anyways, is what I'm trying to get at, if you can catch my drift here, guys, is that it's not just a fad diet. Don't see it as just another one of those diets you try and try for some time. No, it's learn as much as you can and all you can about it, because it's changing your lifestyle patterns into a more healthier way to bring about more happiness in your life, I guess you can say. But I mean, just take care of your body. I mean, food has a tremendous amount of impact on your everyday life. A lot of people don't really realize that. A lot of the people that I talk to, like face to face here in my own town and everything, here in Fairbanks, Alaska, is they don't relate food to their state of health. They don't think the food plays a role on how they feel, or why they have this disease or that disease, or why they're sick, or why they feel down all the time, or not getting enough sleep, or all that stuff, you know. And if food has a humongous important role in that. That's one thing I have realized, I know, ever since I've went low-fat raw vegan, is that, oh my gosh, food is like the number one culprit here. That's what you have to look at, because that's the thing that's like really determining just how you feel every day, you know? And then you kind of stem off from that, from other health things that you incorporate for your body, that your body needs, you know, to be a-okay every day and taken care of. You know, the maintenance. Your body needs maintenance here, people. But the right maintenance and the correct maintenance and the healthy maintenance, you know? But yeah, it's not just a fad diet you go on. Don't even think of it as a diet, because that's one thing what I'm trying to get at is every time I hear the word diet, I mention this to people, is I start thinking, oh no, people are going to think this is just a fad diet, another one of those fad diets. Please don't get that. If you're just coming or hearing about a raw foods lifestyle or way of eating, don't think of it as a fad diet, because it's not. It's most certainly not, because it's something that you do and you change in your life to better yourself, but you incorporate it for the rest of your life because you realize that you feel so much better, and it's something that, like, oh my gosh, we were actually designed to eat this way too because I feel so good, you know. And there's not one bad thing about it, not one bad or negative thing about it at all. You get everything you need, and there's just, the benefits are through the roof, and it is insane, absolutely insanely amazing at what people can heal when they just change the foods that they eat, just by changing their lifestyle, their diet, the way they eat, you know, the foods that they eat. And but that's one thing is, yeah, it's not a diet. It's most certainly not a diet. It's a lifestyle. And you know what? It's not just for people who are trying to lose weight or anything. It's for everybody. It's for every human being on the face of this planet, you know, because you're realizing what the human being's body was truly designed to eat for food. And that just, once you've got that down and you understand it, the light bulb clicks on, you know, then your path is set straight. It's set straight and it makes sense, and you're on your path is set straight, you know. But the reason why I think a lot of people see this as a way to lose weight or anything, and again, it's not, you don't restrict or moderate in any way. You eat until it's enough for you, and it's amazing. All your sugar needs, carbohydrates, fats, sodium, all the vitamins and minerals, calories, all of that stuff, all of that good stuff is all taken care of in the most perfect amounts and packages in raw fruits and vegetables and nuts and seeds. It's perfect for our bodies. Our bodies are so freaking happy when we eat that way. It's seriously telling you, thank goodness you're finally feeding me real food, you know, the food I need. And so that's just, I wanted to add that there. But yeah, it's not just for people who want to lose weight, it's for everybody. And the reason why I think a lot of people see it as it's a weight issue thing, or it's something people get on to lose weight, well, I think it's because a lot of our society, if not most of our society, is overweight. And so a lot of people are finding that they have to get their weight down in order to start feeling better and to avoid certain diseases that are occurring. And so weight is an issue for a majority of the population, you know, and but that's just the society that we're into, or that's what our society has come to. And we've kind of created a lot of unnecessary suffering on ourselves, you know. And but I mean, when you think about it, it's for everybody. It's for whether you have an eating disorder of undereating, or whether you are trying to heal from overexercise, or you're trying to heal injuries, or you're trying to heal a disease, or revert a disease or illness or whatever, or you're trying to improve your skin, your eyes, your hearing, your nails, your hair, or improve something with your body, frustration, anger, your tiredness, or whatever that's related to health and your health for your body and everything, it's for everybody. It's not for people who just want to lose weight or anything. Because I know for me personally, you guys, it wasn't a weight issue for me. It was, I battled from over exercising and poor eating habits and kind of under eating, but poor eating habits and just severely over exercising, and I resulted in a lot of physical painful injuries in my knees and my legs and everything. And so that's how I came to a low-fat raw vegan diet. So it's not just for people who are trying to lose weight or anything. It's for everybody. It's for you. If you're a human being, it's most definitely for you, and you have the choice to go about on how you want to do a raw vegan lifestyle or diet or whatever. And there's no rules or guidelines or anything. It's just realizing that plant foods, raw plant foods, that's food. That's food for humans. And enjoy it. And there's tons of varieties. Like seriously, literally thousands of different types of varieties of fruits and vegetables on this planet. It's incomprehensible. When you look it up, I've looked it up on my goodness, there's so much that can go on to a whole nother topic, a whole nother video. Like seriously, there are some fruits where it'll take you, if you were to try like bananas, just for instance guys, bananas. I know as of the last statistic that I looked up is there was 1,400 different types of bananas available or that exist known to man here on this planet as of 2014. 1,400 bananas. And if you do the math on that, well, there's 365 days in a year, you know. And so it'll take you a couple of years if you try a new banana every day. Just the bananas alone, it'll take you a couple of years just to try every single different type of banana on this planet. That's a couple of years of your life. That's just in bananas alone. Just think of all the different types of mangoes, papayas, pineapples, different types of citrus, apples, and just all these other exotic fruits, sapotes. There's different types of durian. There's different types of all these other fruits, berries and melons, and then other fruits I just have never heard of or seen of before. Different types of dates. Oh my gosh, the world of dates is amazing at the different types of varieties out there. But I mean, you should never be bored, because you can also say, yeah, Stace, there may be a lot in the world, but how much of it do we have access to that everybody can have access to? Well, believe it or not, there is a lot of different avenues you can take to get and reach and get those exotic different types of fruits. Because I live up here in Fairbanks, Alaska, and I have tried so many different exotic fruits and so many different varieties that it's insane. I had no idea I could even get access to them. But I have, and not even leaving Fairbanks, Alaska. I can get it shipped to me, and so I can at least try it, you know, and I still buy them to this day. And so it's most definitely doable. But I just wanted to add that also, guys, so I'll stop babbling here. The video's going on long enough, guys. So remember to love being raw, you guys. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I'll see you guys next video, okay? Bye, guys.